Hello everyone, within few days we are going to start online class through a different app. So for that I will show how to download that and how to sign in to that app. So it is having two procedures. First one is parents permission and second one is student login. For that you have to go to Google Play Store and in the search box you have to type next learning platform. Okay, it will show next learning platform and yellow color symbol, just flower like symbol, and after that you have to click on the install button. After completion of the installation process you have to click open button. It will take one few seconds to load. After that it will ask school code or school domain. In that you have to type SAPSHL and you have to click on the proceed button, and after that it will show this kind of interface, Sentence Primary School. So school domain already added, that is SAPSHL. Here parents has to enter their registered mobile number which is given to school for which the message is arrived, offline message from the Teach Next board. Here you have to enter the mobile number and next they ask the password or OTP. For that in the same message just send the OTP also, or a 6-digit OTP. You have to enter that and you have to click on the sign in button. And this is about parents login, and it will ask allow notification. You have to click on the yes button and you have to log out from that. Next procedure is about student. You have to open the same app. It will load. After that here you have to enter the school domain, that is SAPSHL, and you have to click on the proceed button. Username, so they gave the student admission number or login ID through your message. Here you have to enter that. So they give the message student account is activated and username, and they give the password also. You have to enter that username. Here you have to enter the password, that is capital N small e x t at 123. Okay, next at 123. Here you have to enter the username and you have to click on the sign in button, and again it will ask allow notification. You have to click yes. Okay, so this is about installation process, and when you open this at the end you will get the live lectures or